The fast international, what is the ruling? International, do you mean intentionally? I think you mean intentionally. Shaykh Ahmed rahimahullah, and some scholars said, if the one doesn't fast Ramadan, the fard, we ask him why. He said, Wallahi, I know it is fard, it is compulsory, but I don't want to fast. I am okay, but I don't want to fast. Or I want to fast only 25 days, not 30 days. Okay, so after Ramadan, we check with him. If really he missed few days just because of laziness, we tell him, you have to make tawbah. He said, okay, astaghfirullah azim wa tubu ilayh, I will make up these days. We tell him, no way to make up these days. Why? Because these days should be done in Ramadan. And now Ramadan finished. And make up these days for those who have the excuse. If you are sick, if you are a traveler, pregnant, okay, then you can make up these days. But without an excuse, sorry. You should make tawbah, and we recommend you to make optional fasting.